Hello dear students, it's me Priyanka from SR Public School. Today we are going to read out a poem, A Spaceship Landed Over There, which is Unit 3, Section A, page number 43 of your textbook. So let's start today's topic. First of all, I'll tell you what is spaceship. Spaceship look like as you can see in the picture same. And spaceship is a vehicle that flies through space or which carries people to space. And in this poem, poet is telling about his journey in this space. Let's have a brief introduction of poet first. Mac Wilkie is the poet of this poem, who is from Tennessee, USA. Though an electrical engineer by profession, he has been writing stories and poems since he was in high school. Let's start our poem now. A spaceship landed over there. First of all, we'll solve this exercise. Guess these words related to space travel. A person trained to take part in a space flight. Can you guess? Okay, I'll tell you astronaut. Astronaut. Second, special clothing used by space travelers for survival in space. This one, can you try? Great. Spacesuit. Spacesuit. Third, a spatial vehicle that space travelers used for traveling in space. Space shuttle. Spaceshuttle. Now, let's recite the poem. A spaceship landed over there. No one's believed me yet. I walked on over after dark and took my friend the wet. We couldn't find the little man. We searched and searched inside. So I sat in the pilot seat and said, "Let's take a ride." A voice said, "Early Earthman." Then a glass dome dropped around. My nerves grew calmer when I heard a high pitched hissing sound. My friend the wet was diagnosed, perhaps I guess by smell. Some gizmo stashed him in a cage which didn't fit him well. We traveled fast through space and time to planets far and near, and we ended where we began on early Earthman's sphere. Inoculate then yes or no. Words flashing on a screen. I smiled as I selected yes. Now Dr. Bill is green. He hasn't had a cold in years, but sometimes late at night he swings through trees. I wonder which is worse, his bark or bite. Abridged from a spaceship landed over there by Mac Wilkie. Now I'm going to explain this poem line by line. A spaceship landed over there. No one's believed me yet. I walked on over after dark and took my friend the wit. This first stanza means poet is telling about his journey in the space, and he tells us that the spaceship had landed over there, and he tells this to lots of people, but no one believed at him. Only his good friend, who was vet by profession, believed at him. Vet means it's a short form of veterinary doctor, or veterinary doctor is a person who treats animal. So in this stanza, poet is telling that only his good friend vet believed at him. Now the second stanza, we couldn't find the little man. We searched and searched inside. So I sat in the pilot seat and said, "Let's take a ride." In this stanza, poet said that when his friend went along with him to see the spaceship, then they get into the spaceship to search the little man or any other spaceman, but they could not find any one of them. So they sat on the pilot seat and said, "Let's take a ride." Now in the third stanza, a voice said, "Early Earthman." Then glass dome dropped around. My nerves grew calmer when I heard a high-pitched hissing sound. In this stanza, poet is saying after sitting on the seat, there came a sharp sound, or we can say a very high-pitched sound. After hear that sound, a glass dome dropped around them. Glass dome or a dome is a round structure with a circular base. So this happened with them. Now in the fourth stanza, my friend the wet was diagnosed, perhaps I guess by smell. Some gizmo stashed him in a cage which didn't fit him well. So here in the fourth stanza, the poet said that his friend who was wet by profession got diagnosed, or we can say identified by his smell. Why? Because he used to stay with animals whole day, so he also started smelling like animals. Or because of that, he got diagnosed. And soon after, some gizmo means a strange device, stashed him in a cage means covered him or caught him in a cage. Stashed means covered or trapped, a kind of trap which did not fit him well. Now, in the fifth stanza, we travel fast through space and time to planets far and near and ended up where we begin on early Earth's sphere. Means we travel so fast in the space where we can see planets, some from far, some from near, and we ended up journey at a place where early Earthmen resides. Now in the sixth stanza, inaccurate then yes and no words flashing on a screen, I smiled as I selected yes, now Dr. Bill in green. In this, when we reach there, in this stanza, the poet is saying, when we reach there, one machine which is in front of them, or which something is flashing on the screen, that is two words flashing on the screen, yes or no. So he smiled, poet smiled and select yes, or as soon as he select yes, he got inaccurate. His friend wait got inaccurate by injection. Okay. After that, in the last stanza, he hasn't had a cold in years, but sometimes late at night, he swing through, I wonder which is worse, his bark or bite. In the last stanza, he observed that Dr. Bill hasn't had a cold for years, but sometime late at night, he observed him swing through trees. So two effects are there, both positive or negative effects are there after inoculate with some kind of mild disease. So positive negative effect is that positive effect is that he never got cold from ears, or negative effect was there that however the doctor turns green or used to swings on trees late at night and he started bark or bite. It means after inoculation he started behaving like an animal. So this is all about this poem. Now let's revise the summary once again. In this poem, the poet is telling about his journey in the spaceship. He tells that spaceship landed over there, and he tells this to a lot of people, but no one believed at him. Then his good friend believed at him, whose name is Wet, and he went him to see the spaceship. Then they get into the spaceship. His friend searched for the spaceman or some little man, but he could not find any of them. When they get into the spaceship, there was a sound, the early Earthman, and Glass Dome got down. This thing scared the poet. Then a high-pitched voice calmed down the poet. Then the poet friend Wet was caught in the cage because of strange smell was coming out of him. Then they travel to the space and different planets near or far. They enjoyed that very much. At the end of the poem, poet was thankful that he had the pen and the page to write about the journey and wonderful experience that they had. I hope you all understood the poem. If not, then listen it once again. Thank you. Enjoy reading.